What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Smoking Bullets. Before we get started, I need y'all to like, comment, subscribe, and share. It helps me out a lot. I know it's real small for y'all to just click that button, but I appreciate your love, all right? So the ones that's done it, thank you. The ones that's gonna do it, I appreciate it. But without further ado, today's episode is gonna be about budget 9mm. See which one shoots the best, see which one is the best bang for your buck. I have 3 of them. We're gonna check them out. But before we get started, I'm here at Gator Guns Archery, Ammo, and Gun Range here in Palm Beach County. They always let me come through here and shoot as many rounds that I want, so I got to give a shout out to them. So if you ever in Palm Beach County, come through Gator Guns Archery, Ammo, and Gun Range. They'll look out for you. Without further ado, let's go and check out these budget 9mm, all right? First one we got is the Stroger 9mm. Make it safe. We got 15 in the magazine, 1 in the head, so a total of 16. I also have a tack fire flashlight on it with strobe. It's safe. Let's go ahead and check it out. They go to wall. Not bad. Y'all let me know if y'all ever heard of these. Have you bought one? What's your opinion on them? Leave it in the comment section below. And this baby right here will probably run you about $329 retail. So we're about to see how I shoot. Second one I have is the CZ P10. Let's make it safe. We got 14 in the magazine, 1 in the head, so a total of 15. Also equipped with a tack fire flashlight. One thing you'll always notice on any gun that I have on my channel is always got some type of dressing on it, whether it's a flashlight or a red dot or something like that, or even a laser on it. I always got to put something on my guns. I can't have it plain Jane. It's just the way I get down. I don't know how y'all dress y'all guns, but that's how I do mine. But anyway, CZ P10 9mm. This retail will probably run you about 400 and some change. You already know about CZ's. Great company, great guns. And we're about to see how this budget 9mm shoot. All right. Third one I have is the Jericho 9mm, and this also equipped with a TLR7 flashlight. Safe. This holds 15 in the magazine, 1 in the head, so a total of 16. Let's check out the this trigger. They go to wall. Not bad. So, y'all seen the Jericho, the Stroger, and the CZ10. Let's fire these and see which one gonna be more bang for your buck. See you at the range. right, everybody, we're at the end of the video. So y'all let me know which one did you prefer, which one you didn't like, which one are you rocking with. Did you like the CZP-10? Did you like the Stroger 9mm? Or did you like the Jericho? Me personally, I was feeling the Jericho. I'm a sucker for hammer-fired firearms, so I had that 1911 feel when you pull the hammer back. So I'm being a little biased, but anyway, y'all let me know in the comment below. But you already know what I'm gonna do. I light up me a cigar, probably go have a drink, and always stay safe, stay dangerous, stay lit and loaded, and I'll see you on the next one. Oh, before I forgot, this is my cigar, my own cigar line, Smoking Bullet Cigars. This is called the 7.62. Y'all hit me in the comments below, and I'll let you know how to get one. Later.